Let's find out the derivative of x raised to the power of 1 over x with respect to x. Over here we are going to consider our function to be equals to y, such that we have y equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Let's label this as equation number 1. To find out the derivative, we are going to use the help of logarithm. So let's begin by taking the natural log on both sides. So we have natural log of x raised to the power of 1 divided by x on the right hand side. Now immediately we can use a property of logarithm that says that whenever we have log of a raised to the power of b, this is equivalent to b times natural log of a. That means we have natural log of y equals to, we have 1 over x multiplied to log of x. Or we can simply have x times log of y equals to log of x. Let's label this as number 2. Now we will take the derivative on both sides with respect to x to get derivative with respect to x of x times log y equals to derivative with respect to x of natural log of x. Now on the left hand side here we have two functions, x times log of y. This is a product of two functions, so we can use the product rule to get x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of log of y plus log of y multiplied to derivative with respect to x of x, which will be equals to derivative with respect to x of log of x. We know that whenever we have derivative of the natural log function, so that's simply equals to 1 over x. Now here we'll have x multiplied to, we have log of y instead of x, so that's fine. What we can do, we can have 1 over y, but since we have an y here instead of an x, we'll use the chain rule and multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x plus log of y times derivative of x with respect to x, that's always 1, which will be equals to derivative of the logarithmic functions, which is 1 over x. So that gives us x over y multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x plus log of y equals to 1 over x. We'll transpose log of y to the right hand side, so this gives us 1 over x minus log of y. Right. Now what we can do, we can multiply both sides with y over x, such that we have derivative of y with respect to x equals to y over x multiplied to 1 over x minus log of y. So finally we can replace the value of y with x raised to the power of 1 over x, which gives us derivative with respect to x of x raised to the power of 1 over x equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x divided by x multiplied to 1 over x minus log of x raised to the power of 1 over x. And we can further simplify this. So that means we have x raised to the power of 1 over x minus 1. So we are taken the x from the denominator to the numerator and combined with x raised to the power of 1 over x using laws of indices. And within the parentheses we have 1 over x minus, we're going to use the property of logarithm to get 1 over x multiplied to log of x. We can also take 1 over x as the common factor. So this will come out and give us 1 over x. X raised to the power of 1 over x minus 1 divided by x multiplied to 1 minus log of x, or simply x raised to the power of 1 over x minus 2 whole multiplied to 1 minus log of x. So this is the value of derivative of x with respect to x of x raised to the power of 1 over x.